Hello viewers, on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to add video inside your text in Premiere Pro. The first thing you have to do is to select your video and drag and drop your specific section at which you want to add, like as your video inside your text. Then the second thing is to go to your text here and type anything you want to type. So I'm going to be typing the name of this movie, which was La Brea. So let me just press L, capital letter L, small letter A, space, after that B-R-E-A. Yes, La Brea. Now, if you realize my text is at Montserrat, that is, the way I make use of Montserrat is that I want it to be bold. So what you want to make use of is a bold text so that you can have your clip showed inside your bold text itself. Then the next thing is to go to your effects panel here, effects section, and look for, so just type track matte key, then drag and drop it on your video layer itself. You can see this is my video layer here. I'm dropping it on my video layer below. Then inside your video layer, go to where your matte is. Under none, you select video 2. Why are we selecting video 2? Because of our text here is in video 2. You can see it here, video 2. That's why we are selecting video 2 here, so that it can cut it out and the video can show below it. And with this, you can scale out your text to fill the whole frame, and you are done. Now you can play your video to see how it looks like. And that is how to add video in your text. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, do well to smash the subscribe button, like, comment, and share to your friends. And with that, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye.